Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dota 2 disconnected from server after several attempts to connect. The server did not respond. So if you're getting this error disconnected from server in Dota 2 game, then here follow the fixes. Well, the problem is not on your side. The problem is from Dota 2 side. This error generally occurs when they face the problem in their online services, which generally happens when Dota 2 server is down, having outage, or if their servers are offline. You can check the Dota 2 server status from here. So this is a down detector website. I have provided this link in my video description. So when you go to the down detector website, scroll down and here you will see the chart. You can see so many users have reported the server issues in Dota 2 game. So if you find that Dota 2 server are offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outage, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check back later. In the meantime, you can perform these solutions. You can restart everything. So first close Dota 2 game and then exit Steam completely from the system tray. So click on this arrow icon and then right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam. This will close the Steam and then again you can relaunch the Steam and then launch Dota 2 game and check. If that doesn't work, you can also restart your PC. Just restart your PC once and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. You can also restart your router and then check. Next solution is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Dota 2 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. You have to right click on Dota 2 game and then select properties. Then go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. You can also try to switch internet connection and then check. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. Or you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Dota 2 disconnected from server error. After several attempts to connect, the server did not respond. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.